Here's an app that may be interesting for maths. It's called Dexteria Dots. It's pretty good. Now, I've got some options here, combine, separate, or both. Let's have a look. Let's go to combine first of all. Now, in the world of special education, very often I think that maths is about so many more things than just guessing numbers or rote learning. This is brilliant for a multi-sensory approach to mathematics.
Make a 3-dot.
Okay, so we've got to get 3. The concept of 3 for many of our learners is quite difficult, but what is important is fine motor control, is being able to see things in the figure ground, all of those things. So let's press go. And you can see here, I've got some fairly small targets, but what I'll do is join those together. So I've got 2, and then add another 1, and I've got 3.
Make a 10-dot.
So 10 dot, my goodness. If it's too complicated, then
Make a 7-dot.
You can just skip. Go to go.
Make
go
a
to skip.
3-dot.
So a 3 dot sounds okay. Oh my goodness, it's quite complicated. But nevertheless, let's just drag 1, 2, a 2. There. Down he comes. And
make a 10-dot.
okay, let's have a go at a 10 dot. And actually, in many ways, this is maybe a little bit easier. So 7, 8, 9, and where's our 1? Oh, it's not that one. So wait a minute. Let's just join all these together, and then we can get our 10 that way. We didn't have to join all those, of course. We could have got 10 a much easier way. So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Nice and easy.
Make a 6-dot.
Okay, press go, and then there's a little pause button up here. I'm just going to press that and go cross. Let's have a look at separate. Now, go
Make
to
a
beginning.
5-dot.
So going for 5. So let's go to here. Now, what I've got to do is basically join these together. So 2 add 2 is 4. Add 1. Let's put the 2 in there. We've got 5.
Make a 9-dot.
There we go. And you basically can keep going like this. So you can add a 2, add a 2, add a 2, add a 2. Put those 2 together, those 2 together. Would you really do this? Who knows? I'm not a maths teacher.
Make a 4-dot.
No, I'm bored of this now, but nevertheless, this is a really great app. I think it's really nice for fine motor control and a lot of other ideas as well. I'm sure maths people out there can think of tons more things to do with it than I've just shown you there. But basically, Dexteria Dots, great for your fine motor, lovely for hand-eye coordination, and it's great for numbers as well.